Alright guys, let's get started. We're in my new house. You're prepping for med school, check it. We got the wall, we got the clock, we got the TV. Oh. If you recognize that, put in the comments, put it in, let me know. If you know what that is, you're cool. If you don't, you're not cool. Textbooks. It's me. Bam. What's the list? Be a boss. If you're not a boss, you know what you're doing. Role model, Tom Haverford. Let's get started. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Obey the Sword, Future MD. We got the best philosopher on the channel. What's up? Today we're going over what came first, the chicken or the egg? Stay tuned. Let's get started. Today's topic of discussion, chicken or the egg? What came first? My opinion on this, strictly opinion. Stay relaxed. Everyone calm down. If you disagree, put in the comments. Let me know. What do you think? What I think, in mind, both at the same time. Why do I say this? Matter existed at a specific point. Time had to exist. Everything comes into existence, just like everything comes to an end. If matter exists, then the chicken and the egg metaphysically have to exist at the same time. Where am I going with this? With the chicken existing, the egg must exist. With the egg existing, the chicken must exist. With the human existing. Where am I going with this, huh? Controversial. The egg and the man and the child, the man and the infant, at the beginning of time must have existed at the same time, or if one exists and the other didn't, then the chicken must have existed before the egg, or the egg before the chicken. Relatively, if we say that both existed at the same time, we solve the problem of time even being relative to creation of matter. That's the topic. Let me know. Put in the comments. I'm the best philosopher here. Better than the other two. Pop it in. Best looking. Best philosopher, best topics. Come on, put it in the comments. Argue this, debate this. You know what to do. Share, like, subscribe. And, oh yeah, obey the sword.